Today we discuss the part 2 of public platform for virtual IoT based monitoring and tracking of COVID-19 patients. For the section 3, platform architecture with virtual IoT, CDS and SDNC. One of the key idea of this paper is to solve how all COVID information providers operates with different secret keys. The platform participants are virtual IoT, CDS, SDNC and information consumer. that is virtual sorry that is ordinary users. This platform consists of virtual IoT participating as an information provider, CDS assisting in maintaining link between the virtual IoT and SDNC and SDNC which provide means all information consumer means to allow information consumers to receive information provided by the information provider in real time. Basis of proposed security management. The privacy of the personal information is essential factor in public platform. An individual virtual IoT secret key is created and provided by its CDNC. Each virtual node uses the secret key of update location related information to SDNC. Then SDNC generates and uses the secret key in real time whenever it receives this update. SDNC has security association information for each CDS to create a volume of DH keys, that is Diffie-Hellman keys, requested by the CDC. Therefore, CDC can monitor the error information about virtual IoT nodes under its control. Unlike virtual IoT, ordinary user can obtain limited information from SD SNDC without a secret key. Suppose a CDS and SDNC wishes to exchange a group of keys. Here the total number of secret keys is equal to the number of the people CDS need to manage. CDS selects the n random integer, that is secret value table SVT, that is we can say it is xd1, xd2, xd3 till xdn, and the computes the n corresponding blind values, that is blind value table, that is given by yd1, yd2, yd3 to till ydn, where the ydi is equals to alpha power xdi mod q, where I equals to 1 2 3 till n. In Diffie-Hellman cryptographic system, uh, a set of global uh, public element includes a large prime numbers of q and alpha integers, which is primitive root of q. Each CDC uses a set of different mm, global parameters for the exchange DH keys exchange. The secret key can be any value within a range of 1 from q minus 1. Assuming that like advanced encryption standards ES is used to symmetric encryption algorithm, the key of prime numbers q need to be such as 128-bit. Similarly, SDNC independently select n random integers, that is SVT, and computes n corresponding blind numbers of BVT, where where the YSI equals to alpha xi mod q, where I equals to 1 to n. Each side keeps the SVT private and makes the BVT available publicly to the other side. After that mutual exchange and BVT, the CVT computes the ith DH key as KDI equals to YSI power SDI mod Q, and SDN computes the ith DH keys as KS and YDI XI mod Q. These two calculations produce identical results. All the sensitive personal information handled by the SDN platform is encrypted with a DH secret key for individual. For ith person who the CDC manage, the CDC and virtual IoT node of the person uses KDI, while SDNC uses KSI for that person. For a private for the privacy purpose, both CDS and SDN's platform manage COVID-19 relevant person with the identifier of CDC site blind value, that is YDI for ith person. Section 3.2 Platform structure based on SDNC. CDS manages a list of the people who needs to be monitored related to COVID-19 and forcefully install the virtual IoT nodes in the form of application in their smartphone. Then the virtual nodes can be confirmed as a case or suspected infection. Regardless of privacy, this is a social obligation to those who are controllable by the CDC. And large number of CDC can exist worldwide, and each CDC controls the virtual IT nodes for list of people who need monitoring and tracking in its control range, as shown in Figure 1. For virtual IoT, its wallet maintains two type of records: security association and response record. The security association record, which CDC provides via offline transmission, contains the same content the corresponding as a corresponding entry stored in the CDC's SADB. So the size of the same content of the corresponding as entry stored in the SD. So sorry. So the size of CDC's SADB comes to the total number of the people in its control. The RR in the virtual wallet which is always up to date maintains a consistency with the corresponding entry stored in the SDNC RRDB. Then SDNC is centralized center that collects the RR information from the distributed information provided virtual nodes under all the distributed CDC's control, while each virtual node is responsible for updating RR in RRDB and SDNC. An ordinary user can reach the RRDB at SDNC and obtain necessary RRs, respect the privacy related data even through a through the users through the user does not maintain any security assertion. Here is the figure where the two different virtual IoT as a related nodes and support node. Virtual IoT may operate differently for support purpose. For example, one can take advantage of virtual IoT nodes support node in the area of public transport. The CDC required the public transport bus drivers to mount virtual nodes of drivers' smartphone and establish security relationship in the same way as a COVID-related virtual IoT node. The virtual at this time, the type of field value of the RR data is PT public transport. Then, whenever the driver drives the bus and changes its location, his location information is reported to SDNC. If the passenger traveling by the bus wanted to know whether the COVID-related person is on the bus he or she is riding, they send a query to SDNC. If there is no COVID person on the bus, SDNC will let the person know about this. If no person is on board, the SDNC will respond to the situation. Of course, suppose SDNC can search result for an RR entity that change in the same pattern as a driver position information. In that case, it will allow the passenger to see the real-time COVID-related situation in moving vehicle. The task preferred by the IoT wallet software usually include get the assay from its CDC and install it. CDC responsible for its revocation, track its location related status as the current IP address and the GPS data when it moves, renew the RR based on changed locations related status, register that renewed RR to the SDNC immediately in any changes to current RR. The CDC is usually is a National Center for Disease Control and Prevention, as indicated in Figure 2. CDC maintains two type of databases: assay database and medical information database. One of one is for security management and the other is for managing medical information. SADB, assay database, SADB, and each entry in assay containing security variables that enables both CDC and SNDC to compute the same secret key for certain virtual IoT tasks performed by CDC software usually include request for generate all SADB entities at a time to the SDNC, and NSA contained FE element parameter necessary to determine the resultant DH keys. The key is applied to encrypted sensitive information in RR. The field value of virtual IoT node ID identify each SA, maintain SADB entities that tell which SA to use to apply the decipher and encrypted part of a given RR. An SA-specific same element key applied between CDC and SDNC as well as virtual node and SDNC. The field of value virtual node ID indicates a specific SA among SADB entity. Maintain MIDB entities. The field of virtual node ID identifies the medical status information related to a specific person in need of care. The CDC gives them a unique management number ID and classes it according to its severity. Each can belong to one of the confirmed case C self-isolation group as those who need observation O. The type of field classifies each specific group. This field also include public transportation to specify the virtual ID support node. The people with this COVID-19 can experience mild to severe respiratory illness. The field of medical information figure 2 can explain the COVID-19 related symptoms and combination of symptoms. The query of RRDB in SDNC and analyzes the dynamical behavior of the people under monitoring. Here is the second figure: database handled by the CDC and SDNC. SDNC software defined SDNC provides a platform for virtual nodes, CDC, and smartphone users. SDNC handles two types of databases: SDAB and RRDB. Because SDAB in SADB in SDNC is associated with that in CDC, two calculations to generate DH Diffie element keys in CDC and SDNC produce an identical result. It is RRDB that tracks the movement status of each person under monitoring. The field of ID keeps encrypted in RRDB with DH secret keys for the individual. The tasks performed by SDNC software usually include maintain SADB entities generated as a result of BVT exchange procedures initiated by the CDC. Calculate the DH key using assay which the field of value of virtual IoT node ID points out to encrypted sensitive information in RR. Maintain RRDB entities and update them when update RR message arrives from virtual IoT. Send the corresponding RR's match after receiving queries from CDC and normal user in response.